Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove and replace the exterior door handle on a 2006 Ford Escape. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Okay, so to start with the panel removal, first you'll have a couple of Phillips screws to remove. So there is one just here, so unscrew that one, and there will be one Phillips screw just here inside, so unscrew that one as well. Okay, so these are the screws. Once you have them out, you'll want to remove this small cap right here, because there is one more Phillips screw just behind it. Now you can just pry this out with a flat screwdriver or something similar. Oop. So like I said, one more Phillips screw inside, and this cap has just a couple of plastic clips. Okay, so the next thing to do, there is still one screw just behind this small black cover right here. So get like a small flat screwdriver to pry this out. Okay, almost did it. Okay, and this one is golden, so try to remember it when you'll be putting all this back together. Okay, once you have this gold screw removed, you'll want to remove this black plastic surrounding the door handle. Just be careful so you don't break this door handle. You can just pull this off by your hand. And now right here in this corner, there's like a small clip which you have to unclip. Just be careful here. Okay, and you can pull it off. And now once you have this removed, there is nothing else holding this door panel actually, so you can start prying it out. So you can use something like a flat screwdriver or a pry tool and start from the bottom side, and you'll want to work your way all around so you can get nice and loose. And then once that is done, you'll just want to lift it up and unhook it. Okay, so I'll be using this tool, so I'm just gonna squeeze it inside and pry this panel off. And like I said, I'm gonna just work my way around to get all of these pins loose. Once I have that, then I can even use my hand and pull it off. Okay, just like this. And now once it's completely loose, what you'll want to do, you'll want to just lift it straight up and off the door. Okay, so before you can completely remove this panel, you'll have to disconnect these power switches. There is only one connection on the back side of the panel, and what you want to do, you want to squeeze it with your finger right here. There's like a small clip, and try to wiggle it off. If you can't do it with your fingers, try to use like pliers or something if it was never removed. Okay, I was able to do it. So yeah, this is the idea. You have to push onto this clip and then pull it straight out. And once you disconnect that, that's it. Okay, next thing to do would be to remove this protection piece. Now the best way to do it, it's actually just glued around the corners, but you have to remove it so you get enough space to work around here, so you can use like a scalpel or knife or anything that actually works for you, or just work your way through it and pretty much cut it, and you can glue it back once you are done. Okay, and now we will remove the outside door handle. It is held by two Torx T20 screws. So one will be right here and the other one back there. So you can access actually this one through a hole right here, so it's easy to remove it, and other one is very easy accessible. Okay, so these are the screws. Remember which one was where, because they're not the same. Okay, so now you will want to come from the outside to remove this small plastic piece on the door handle. Now to do that, you'll want to pry it from this side. Now I'm not sure if I'll be able to record it because I'll have to use both of my hands. So while holding this door handle opened, you'll just want to pry it here underneath. Like I said, I'll need to use both of my hands for a second here. Okay, so this is the idea. You see, while this door handle is opened, you'll want to just pry it with a flat screwdriver or something like I'm using out, and then you can just pretty much pull it with your hand. Do not try to pry it from this side because you will break this pin and then you won't be able to install it back in place when if you'll be putting it back together. Okay, now to remove the door handle, the exterior door handle, what you have to do, it actually slides out, so you have to slide it towards this way. So do not pull towards yourself. So you want to slide it to the right and remove it. You just have to wiggle this off, and this is your door handle. And make sure you don't lose this piece as well, which just goes here. Okay, this is how you remove the exterior door handle on a Ford Escape. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.